Hi, my talented chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to marinate a London broil, but instead of broiling it in an oven, I'm going to cook it on a grill. What I used to prepare this dish was a nice cut of beef, Worcestershire sauce, lemon-flavored salt, but regular salt works just fine, harissa, and black peppercorns, plus cayenne pepper and soy sauce. Please feel empowered to switch things up, especially the spices as you see fit. This is your meal. Make it however you feel. With that said, let's get cooking. Kick things off by placing the beef in a pan that you can cover. Whether you have a lid or not, you could always use tin foil, and a pan that will hold the marinating liquid. Start off by seasoning generously with salt and then pepper. Hit it with the harissa next. If you don't have harissa, paprika would work nicely in its place. Then give it some heat with a dash of cayenne pepper. I'm a big wuss, so I don't do too much of this, but have at it if you're all about the spice. Worcestershire that thing like you're Henry VIII, really loaded on thick. Finally, douse the whole shebang with soy sauce. Flip the meat over and repeat with the same seasonings and sauces as well. Cover with a lid if your container has one, or saran wrap like I'm doing here, and store in the fridge for as little as an hour, a few hours, overnight, or even up to a full day. The longer the better. The longer the marinade has to penetrate the meat fibers, the better. Once you're ready to cook, you can put this under the oven broiler for about 8 to 12 minutes on each side, or you can go buck wild like I'm doing here and flame broil this puppy. Get the grill up to 350 and cook for 8 minutes on each side. Take it off the grill, let it rest 5 to 10 minutes so the juices can redistribute throughout the meat, and then carve up some slices and plate. Please let me know what you think. How do you cook a London broil? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks for watching. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. You are all so very kind. I hope you have a great day. Thank you. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!